Welcome to today's tutorial, our dear Jumia customers. Today we are going to teach you how to cancel an order on Jumia online store. Actually, no one desires to cancel his or her order on Jumia after taking his time to place such order. When one places order on Jumia, such Jumia customer desires to get the product he or she ordered. But for some cogent reasons, one may have to cancel his order. These are some of the reasons why one may need to cancel an order on Jumia. 1. If you have found an alternative to the product you ordered. 2. If you find a product that can serve your purpose better than the product you ordered already. 3. If there is need to embark on emergency travel such that you cannot wait to receive the product you ordered. 4. If in any way you unexpectedly run out of cash such that you cannot afford to pay for the product you ordered. And this applies mostly to pay on delivery products. Consequent to any of these conditions or reasons given above, one may be forced to cancel his or her order on Jumia. Though Jumia will not be very happy losing your patronage, but at this time it may be necessary that you cancel your order. And to Jumia, you save the delivery agents the time and cost of transportation. However, having considered some of the reasons why one may need to cancel his order on Jumia, I now enumerate the steps to follow to cancel order on Jumia online store. Basically, there are 2 steps. And these steps, I call them step-by-step guide to cancel order on Jumia. Step 1. In step 1, you are getting the requirements to cancel your order on Jumia. That means in this step 1, all we need to do is to get the requirements necessary to cancel our order on Jumia. First of all, you log into your Jumia account using your Jumia app or supported browser. Actually, here I'm already logged in with my browser, Google Chrome, or I may have alternative of coming to log in to my Jumia mobile app. Still loading. My Jumia mobile app. Good. Now, when I open this and log in, the next step is I click on orders, and from there I locate the product I want to cancel its order on Jumia. And look at where I come to get my orders. I come to account, then I find orders. These are the orders I have made already on Jumia. Then this is for Jumia app. You could come to my browser, Google Chrome. You come to here is where you locate your orders. Then you click on orders. Then you see the items you have ordered. And when you have done this, the next step you need to take is to click on the product in particular you want to cancel its order. For instance, I have a lot of products here which I have ordered. Assuming I want to cancel the order for this clipper now, what I have to do now is to click on the clipper. Then when I click on this clipper, the next thing I need to do is, what I need here is to copy this 9-digit order number here. Then I click on copy. Now, this also you can do with your Jumia app. When I switch now to Jumia app, I can click on this. Then at the top here, I still have my order number, which I can copy also. Now, when I have done this, I think this point now brings to and end the first step of canceling your order on Jumia. The second step now is yourself filling and submitting form to request canceling your order on Jumia, because you need to fill a form to cancel your order on Jumia. To begin the second step, you need to go back to the Jumia homepage on your mobile phone or on your browser. That means I have to go back to my Jumia homepage. I still have to go back to my Jumia homepage. Then I good. Then if I'm using a browser, as I'm using a browser now for this particular example, I have to now come to the footer menu at the bottom of the Jumia homepage, which means I will scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. This area is where we call the footer homepage, the footer menu, where we have help center, contact us, terms and conditions, then become a seller. All these are the footer menu. But also, when we need, but what we need here now is to go to contact, because we have to contact Jumia to tell them or to inform them that we want to cancel an order. Still, when you switch on to mobile app, what you do next is you still come back to home page. When you come back to home page, you click on help. When you click on help, the next thing you do is you click on FAQ, that is frequently asked question, FAQ. You click on it. Then when you click on this, you continue scrolling down, scrolling down, scrolling down until you get to refunds and returns and refunds. Then here, where you get the same contact form is on contact us form. This is where you get it on your Jumia app. But let us proceed with our browser. Now, on the browser, you click on contact us. Then I do that now. I clicked on contact us. Then when I clicked on contact us, I have options here: track my order, cancel my order, return my order, payment issue. Now, but here now, what I need is to cancel my order. And for this reason, I will click on cancel my order. Now, when I click on cancel my order, I have options here, form here that I have to fill. And this form includes your name, your email, and the 9-digit order number. Then select option. Here on your name, you have to put your full name, actually the name you use on your Jumia mobile app, or the name you use in registering for your Jumia account. Then on the email, then you put your email address you used to register your Jumia account. Then on the 9-digit order number, you paste the number you copied. Like for instance, this one now, I have pasted this one now here. Now, the next option is for you to select option. In the select option now, you click on it and you have options. I want to confirm my order, I want to cancel my order, and so many other options. But here now, what I have to choose is I want to cancel my order, and it gets filled. Then the next thing there is there's a space here written give full detail of your contact reasons. Here you give reasons why you want to cancel your order, which I enumerated also some of the reasons why one may have to cancel his order on Jumia already. Now, finally, you have to check this reCAPTCHA security box. Now, when this is done, then you see a submit button. But remember, the reCAPTCHA security box, you are doing it to make sure, to prove to the system that you are not a robot. Because if you are a robot, then the system cannot allow you to send any request or to carry out any operation on the store. Now, when you might have when you are done with the recaptcha security requirements, then the final thing you need to do is to click on the submit button. Then when you click on the submit button, that means that then you get a success message that you have sent a request to Jumia, and in less than 24 hours you receive an email in your email address, the email address you inserted in this place. Then you receive a message from Jumia concerning your request about canceling your order. However, having successfully followed these steps, though simple as they are, this simple guide to this point, I believe that you have successfully cancelled your order, or that you have at least learned how to cancel your order on Jumia. If you encounter any problem as you follow this guide, simply leave a comment below and I will suggest a solution to such problem. To stay connected to our customer oriented tutorial on how to shop on Jumia, kindly follow our Facebook page and click on the red subscribe button below this video. See you in the next tutorial. Thank you for patronizing Jumia. Bye.